Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have bisectors in triangles. Okay, so let's start. I have here what? Look at here the triangle given. I have here another theorem. It's called Circumcenter Theorem. What's Circumcenter Theorem? Okay, I have here in this triangle, when I have here perpendicular, as you see, perpendicular bisector. Let's draw one and see what we are going to talk about. What does it mean perpendicular bisector? To draw a line here to have two equal segments, this segment equal to this segment, and remember this line is what? Perpendicular. For only this side? No, we have three sides in the triangle, so in this side also we have here bisector. Okay, that gives me here perpendicular bisector, that gives me two equal sides. Okay, and what about the third one? Yes, also I'm going to draw a perpendicular bisector that gives me two equal here also segments. If I have here all of that, they meet all of these three bisector segments, they meet at a point. This point is called what, guys? It's called here circumcenter. So this particular point, which is P, it's what? The circumcenter of a triangle. Circumcenter. Let's clear together and see what we are talking about. We have here the three red segments. Do you see the three red segments? They meet at a particular point. It's called circumcenter. So what we conclude from this? We conclude that here the lines or segments that come from the vertices and meet at the circumcenter now are also what? Are also equal. So PA, let's clear the blue here line or the blue segment as you see here. Okay, it's congruent to what here? PB, and also congruent to what? Congruent means equal. Okay, remember, to PC. So the blue lines are congruent, and the red perpendicular bisectors gives me what? They bisect each side of the triangle into two equal sides. Okay guys, easy. Let's solve on this to make sure that we understand. Before solving the exercises, remember that here in this one, the circumcenter can be inside the triangle, outside the triangle, or on the triangle. What? Yes, in the acute triangle, the circumcenter is inside. The circumcenter here is inside. Remember that, okay? What about the obtuse triangle? When we draw the three bisectors of the triangle, so you'll find the circumcenter outside. What about the right angle? Here outside, remember, outside. The right angle triangle, you will find the circumcenter here on the hypotenuse of the right angle. Remember, we have here the right angle, and this is called what? The hypotenuse. Okay guys? Okay, what about this? Remember that we have here the circumcenter. If I draw here a circle surrounding this triangle and meeting the three vertices, okay, at the 3 points here, so this is called what? Circumscribed circle. Okay, and here if the circle inside the triangle, it's called incenter. Incenter is the center of the triangle's inscribed circle. Okay, so the incenter here is P. Okay guys, let's complete up. Let's solve now some exercises to make sure we understand. Here I have use the diagram and find the measure of GM. Where is GM? This one. What do you think? I have here perpendicular bisectors, as you see. So perpendicular bisectors, can you see here L? Here ZL is the perpendicular bisector of HJ. K here, KZ, it's the perpendicular bisector of HG, and I have here what else? And I have here MZ, the perpendicular bisector of GJ. So he asks me about what? The required, it's important to know, GM. Let's see, where is GM? This one. This is 14.5, so GM must be the same 14.5. I think it's very easy, right? What about GK here in this one? GK, let's see by here, GK, just a moment. GK here, GK, yes, we have it here. GK, it's not 19.9, 19.9, this one, but GK, this one, it will be equal to, who can tell me? Yeah, so this one, I can hear you, it's here 18.6. Like the other one, because we have here KZ is perpendicular bisector. Give me two equal sides, right? Okay, let's find another question. Is it easy right now? I think so. JZ. Let's see, where is JZ? Where is Z? Okay. Yes, this one. JZ, guys. JZ. Okay, you have here inside JZ is equal to what? What do you think? JZ. It's 19, right? 19.9. Here it's 19.9 as this one. Okay? Okay. After that, I have here what? The Incenter Theorem. What about the Incenter Theorem, guys? If you have here, so here in this theorem, the Incenter Theorem, I have what? I have here what? If I have perpendicular bisector, as you see, perpendicular bisector, and I have here also given that the sides here are equidistant from the center of the triangle. Therefore, the perpendicular here PX, okay, PX, and PZ and PZ here and PY here, the perpendicular are what? Are equal to, okay, the segments here are equal to. Let's solve on this. Remember, unlike the circumcenter, so we have here, unlike the circumcenter, the incenter is always what? This is very important, guys. Inside the triangles, inside all of the triangles, inside all kinds of triangles, okay, guys? So here you will find the incenter inside the acute angle, inside the obtuse angle, inside the right angle too. Okay, so let's solve this. MP and LP are angle bisectors of triangle LMN. Okay, so find the distance from P to MN. Where is P? P to MN. This P to MN. This is MN. Find the distance of P to MN. I have here what? So I have here, he wants me to find the distance from P to MN. So it's what here? What do you think? This, okay, this perpendicular also will give me what? Will give me the same 5 as PL. The same 5 as PL. What about this one? What about here? He asks me about the measure of angle. Measure of angle PMN. PMN. This one. Okay, guys, so I want here to find the measure of angle PM, okay, P here LMN. Okay, so find the distance. We have finished this. Find the distance, find the measure of PMN. Where is here PMN? PMN, this one. You have here, this is 20 degrees and this is 50 degrees, and I have here bisector, LP bisector. So this one will give me what? The same 50. You have here 50 and 50, 100, and you have here 20. It's here 120, and the rest is of the triangle. We have the total here, sum of the triangle, 180 minus 120. So it will be what? 60. You will have this one, the whole here will be, the whole angle here is what? Is 60 degrees. This one is 60 degrees. So yeah, I asks me here about PMN. PMN. So here PMN will be what? 60 divided 2 gives me 30 degrees. Why 30 degrees? Because we have here bisector. MP is considered a bisector, so we have here 30 degrees. I hope you understood everything. Thank you, my dear students, for listening.